Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Warisatul Husna and I would be your presenters today. So, who will ask a question first? Me. Okay, maybe you.
My question is, could you explain the relation between discourse and gender?
Um, okay, let me ask your question about the difference between discourse and the relationship between discourse and gender. So discourse is about our use of language, and gender is about the perform of the people, like how people style themselves and how their gestures, and then how she or he talks to each other. So in discourse and gender, people would be like a feminist one or like masculinity one because of their daily life. So, for example, in telephone, like people usually like soft speaker, right? So even if he is a boy, but he can make the voice more feminist, more feminine. So, are you satisfied? Okay, you?
What do you think about ideology in discourse?
Ideology in discourse. Okay, let me answer your question. So, ideology in discourse is about a person belief and then assumption of people and about the beliefs of people. And then ideology is different in another country. For example, in Western, people in wedding occasion, the man would propose the woman, right? But it would answer directly, like a woman want to be their wife or no. But in Japanese, it took more times to the woman to ask to answer the question. So it's about the belief in every country. Okay, we move to Adin.
What discourse and social and local practice?
Discourse as social and local practice. Yeah. Okay. In my opinion, discourse discourse as a social and local practice is about how people speak with each other, like depends on a place or depends on the people whom we are speak with. And for example, me as a student speak with my teacher, it could be like a formal one, right? I will be polite, but with my friends, example to you, I would like more informal and joking around. Yeah, that's all. Okay. Okay, you.
Please tell me about what do you think gender is?
Oh,
The differentiation between gender and sex.
okay. From my understanding, the difference between sex and gender is about sex is about the sexuality of female and male, but in gender is more about the performative of the people. Like it can be he is a boy, but he can act like a girl, like a feminist one, and vice versa. Yeah, it's about their daily life. So, 4 minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes time. Okay, thank you. Yes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Warisatul Husna, and today I would be your presenter. So, what will be ask a question first? Maybe, yeah.
What the relationship between discourse and gender?
Okay, you asked about difference between as the relationship between discourse and gender. So let me explain first. Discourse is about our use of language in everyday life, right? And then gender is about how people perform their self. It it's different between gender and sex because sex is about a female and male. It's like a biological, but gender is about how people perform their self in everyday life, like what language that he or she uses, and then how their gestures, and then yeah, I think that's all. Okay, maybe you. Yes.
So, can you please explain about the relationship in discourse and ideology?
Okay, I would like to explain your question about discourse and identity.
Ideology.
Ideology. So, from my understanding, ideology is what is the belief and assumption of someone in one area. So, ideology can differ from one country and another. For example, wedding. Maybe in Western, if a man proposed the woman could say yes directly. But in Japanese, the woman have like took more time to to answer that question. Like it's a different belief, different country. This is. Are you satisfied? Okay. Okay, you.
Could you explain about the language as
Practice. Okay. From my understanding, language as social and this language as social and local practice is about how we speak to other person in our daily life. Like it could be a new person or the people who near with us. We can meet that person in everyday life. For example, if I as a student and I ask questions to my teacher, so it would be like polite one. But for example, me and you as a friends, I can speak more informal and joking around. That's all for my answer. And you?
So when we speak, we reveal ourselves to others, right?
Yes.
How about text?
How about text?
We reveal ourselves.
I think our writing about something it can reveal ourselves, and it depends. It also cannot reveal ourselves. It depending of our identity. Like would example me would represent as a like a good one or a bad one. So it depends on us and our identity. So are you satisfied or have because we have like 20 seconds left
How do you?
how did you represent your in your text?
in your text?
How did you represent?
Maybe in my academic writing, I would be a real me. But in like literature, like poetry or something, maybe I can make my new identity. It still have time. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah. Yeah, my name is Warisatu Husna, and today I would be your presenter. So, what would as a question first? Maybe you?
Could you explain about discourse and identity?
Discourse and identity. So, from my understanding, discourse itself is about the use of language, right? And then the identity is about someone's beliefs and someone's assumption. So, let me give you an example about the identity. Identity, right? Like identity. So, me on Instagram would be different with me in my TikTok because I want to be a serious person on Instagram and want to be funny person on TikTok. It's my freedom to have my identity in Instagram or on TikTok. So that's all. Are you satisfied? Okay. You.
Could you explain your understanding about discourse as gender?
Okay, discourse and gender. Again, discourse is about the use of language, and gender is different. And gender and sexuality it's different. Sexuality is about the biological and the part of our body, but gender, it's about how someone perform their daily life, like how they look, how they're talking to each other, and how their gesture. And gender, it's not have like a boundaries, because a woman can be like a man and man can be like a woman. So that's all for me. Are you satisfied? Okay. So what is the example of discourse and gender? So for me, the difference the example in discourse and gender, it's in the wedding, because the woman is supposed to be accept the proposal of the man, right? Yeah, but the in the society understand about that, but yeah, it's different between in Western and Japanese. In Western, like the woman that would directly answer the question of the purpose, like will you marry me, yes or no. But in Japanese, the women took more time. It can be 1 week or 2 weeks to answer that question. So different country might be a different identity or different in gender rules. Yeah, that's for me. Are you satisfied? Okay, Bang, it's your turn.
So both the identity and the gender is performative, right?
Yes.
It's kind of similar, but how do you differentiate both of them?
Between identity and gender. So for me, gender, it's only focused on female and male. But in identity, it's more about our daily life, like me as a student or me as a daughter of my mother and father, and me as a wife. Yeah, it's different. But in gender, it's actually about, yeah, just two of that, male and female. Like we want to look like a male, or we would like to be like women. It's
Feminine or masculine.
yeah, sorry, yeah, feminine and masculinity. Yeah, are you satisfied?
Yes, but
Yeah. Yeah,
what do you
because
think about the contemporary
2 days. Yeah, into
gender role?
like non-binary and
Binary, and there's so many gender that
yeah, I think it's because environment, because of my social media or something, and it can shapes our personality. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Warisa Tulusna, and I would be your today's presenter. So, who will ask a question first? Maybe you.
Can you explain about languages? Social and local practice.
Language as social and local practice. So, from my understanding, language as social and local practice is about how people interact with others in daily life, like to whom we speak and the way we speak, and the situation where we speak. From example, me and my teacher. So I ask question politely, but me and you, I can just joking around. Yeah, that's all from my understanding. Are you satisfied? Okay. See you.
Explain about discourse and identity.
Okay, I will try to explain the discourse and identity. So, discourse is about the use of language in our everyday life, right? But and identity is about how we can like represent, like what others represent to us. Like identity is like a belief, assumption, and yeah, from my experience. So, from example, we can have like so many identity based on our needs. For example, me on my Instagram will be like a serious person, and me on a TikTok would be like a funny person. It's as long as I have a freedom to the identity. That's for me. Okay.
Can you tell me your understanding of discourse and ideology?
Okay, discourse and ideology. So again, discourse is the use of language in everyday life, and ideology Yes, an ideology is about our assumption in in everyday life. So in ideology, it can different between one country in another. I can give you an example. It's in a wedding occasion. So in the Western ideology, so if a man proposed the woman would answer it directly. But in Japanese, if the man proposed the woman can took more time, like 2 weeks or 3 weeks to give an answer. So ideology in different country have a different ideology from me. Okay. Okay, it's you. Discourse and gender. So, this gender is about how people perform in their daily life, and it's different from the sexuality. Sexuality is about the part of our body, like a man and women. But in our gender, people have a freedom to choose to be like a woman or to be like a man or woman, and it's about how they act in everyday life, how they use the language, and how their style. Maybe that's all for me. Or you have more question because we have 30 seconds left. Okay, that's all. That's all. Okay. Thank you guys for your questions.
You might want to add anything.
Sorry, I think I wrong at identity and ideology. Like it's sorry. Yeah, it's which. So ideology it's belief, and identity is how person represent others. So sorry for my nervous. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Warisatu Husna, and today I would be your presenter. So the first question maybe would be you.
Can you explain about the discourse and gender?
Okay, I will try to answer your question about discourse and gender. So discourse itself is about the use of language in our everyday life, and gender is about how person perform their daily life. Like gender, it's different from a sexuality because sexuality is about our part of body, but in gender, it's more like the act of our everyday life, like how we style, how we use language, how our gestures. And in gender also, a man could be like a woman and women could be like a man. Yeah, maybe that's all for me. Are you satisfied? Okay, Wilda.
So could you explain discourse and ideology and different example?
Okay, discourse and ideology. So again, discourse is about the use of language in our daily life, and An ideology is about the assumption and belief of a person in one area. So I would give you one example. It's about a wedding. So in Western, if a man proposed the woman should answer it directly, yes or no. But in Japanese, it can took more times to the women to answer the question. So in my opinion, different country could have like a different ideology. So are you satisfied? Okay, Depi.
Explain about language and social practice.
Okay, I will try to explain about language as social and local practice. So, language as a social is about how we speak to each other in our daily life. Like in school, maybe a student and a teacher can speak more formal and polite. But in a relationship like friends and friends, me and you, we can speak like informal, and I can joking around with you. And in local, it's about the area. So, from example, in Jakarta, people would speak two language, Indonesia and English, because that area, it depends on the area. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Can you explain about discourse and
discourse and identity. So, from my understanding, identity is about how we can represent to others. Like we can have many identity, like me as Husna that you know, or me as a teacher, or me as a son of my mother and father, or me as a teacher. It could be like a shifting, like a different identity. For example, it's me on Instagram. I would be like a serious person, but in TikTok maybe I wanna be a funny person. Just it depends on our freedom. So that's my opinion about the identity. So are you satisfied? Okay, thank you. Because we have 30 seconds left. You have another questions, or you may add for my explanation? Okay. Thank you, guys. No. Okay, thank you.